concerns arose from the old house which was very inefficient, extremely drafty, burnt an enormous amount of fuel oil in terms of keeping heating running, as well as the fact that the house in fact was too small for our needs for the work. So we needed a house that was bigger, but also that was going to be as energy efficient as possible, so that we weren't going to get into a scene again of trying, both in terms of the maintenance of the building, but particularly in terms of its heating bills. Following a chance encounter with an architect friend of mine who introduced me to Jonathan Leonard, and he suggested very much an integrated system which was going to cope with what was a much larger house of over 3,500 square feet, and a system which incorporated both the ice stick and underground loop, the underfloor heating, solar panels, and the heat pump system in the water system. And together, that whole package produced a very workable solution, which negated the use again of burning of any fuels. Our dealings have been excellent, both in terms of the briefing before we began the project, right through the project in terms of the help that we've got, and the explanation of how the system worked. It has produced exactly what we were looking for, a very even heat, constant heat, at about 1/4 of the cost of what it used to heat a much smaller house than this one.